In this video, I'll show you how to send MS Word file to Gmail. So ensure you subscribe and turn on the bell notification to this channel for lots of educational guides and content like this. Let's say if for any reasons you have typed in let's say a document or something on your MS Word and you love to send it to a friend, a client, a worker via Gmail. What you're going to do basically right now, click on this compose. Right, once I've clicked on it, wait for it to open up. Right, so at first you're going to enter the email of the person you want to send this message to. Right, you can enter the person's email right here, then you're going to enter the subject of this email. Right, so just click on this attach files. Right, I'm going to go over to my document. Let me see, I want to send this. Right, how to make one, then I'll just click on open. So it's going to load up right here. Yeah, so exactly, so you can see it. So what you need to do basically right now, just enter the recipient's email address of this. Right, then enter the subject of this entire thing. Right, so you can just come on here and type anything you want to type. Once you're done, just click on this send. Right, everything is going to go through automatically. So this is basically how you can send MS Word file to Gmail. If you find this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching through. I'm gonna see you all in the very next one.